kung unsay dapat i-check nato kung mag-road trip. We'll be going to Asturias for dili di ay. After all, you guys, it is amazing guys. Dahil pasuga, oy, anak, tupon ako, 3 or 4, ay, no, sorry. Pag hinol, think ko no, close your eyes and follow your heart. So I am here in Subaru Cebu here in AS Fortuna because we will be doing a road trip towards kung asa ta mangaon or mukuha og pagkaon. And before ta mag-road trip, of course, kinahanglan ta mo check sa tong sakyanan or para makibawsan mo kasi dapat buhaton if ever you do a road trip, dapat mag-check yun sa tong sakyanan. Even though it would be a long drive or a short drive, dapat i-check yun sa tong sakyanan as much as possible every day. Right? And so for today, nako'y kuyog sa kong road trip. Lain naman ako sa kusa. And actually, siya ang nag-invite na ako to do this one. So thanks to him. And he will be the one giving us the reminders kung unsay dapat i-check nato kung mag-road trip na. Let's welcome JR!
Hi! What's up, Auto Central? I'm JR of Auto Central Group. So welcome to Subaru Cebu's main showroom here in AS Fortuna sa Mandaue City. So para sa road trip guys, so dapat imong tan-aon first yun is ang imuhang number 1, kung dapat ka-fuel enough, ha? Especially kung long drive. Number 2, check your tires. And of course, imong makina tanawa kung in good condition pa na. Pero best, kung dili kasi ito sa sakyanan, visit sa imuhang service center. For example, dili sa Subaru Cebu or sa imuhang car para di ka maberya in the middle of your trip. So, yun lang. And make sure to bring your garbage bags. If ever you're out of town, bring your garbage with you when you're done. So, ingon ana ra gid ta guys, let's save the world.
Save the world, ginahin from Cavite. No joke. Yes, so that's it guys. It was so simple lang yun kayo. Ana ra gyud siya kasayo, gana kadali. But yeah, I would just like to remind, so yeah, very good. Number 1, fuel. Kailangan siya mag-road trip ka nga wala kay fuel, no?
Yes.
Then number 2, kalimutan ko sa isang gisulti. Tires. You should have proper imong hangin kay actually kung dili sakto ang hangin sa imong sakyanan mo, gid ako nga problema. Actually there should be more kay di ba ako nahinumduman katong pag bata pa man kuya akong papan siya mga blow bag like brakes, something like that. Pero yes, this siya mismo ako nakalimot ko no, para to make it sure that your sakyanan is always in good condition. Always remember to have your car serviced sa iyang proper nga time. So yun lang. So guys, ubani na make car. So anyway guys, ideally we thought we'll be going to Asturias for dili di ay. After all, sa Balamban ra di ay mi. And among initial content kay, since di ba ni-mention ko nga ako'y i-deliver ko sa Mukanon, actually guys, ideally ganahan ko makatunon sa unsa pangisda. Pero dapat ang isda biya ka nang buntag sa'yo because actually nakatry ko pangisda before, like way back in college when I had my immersion. So not college, post-college na di ay, kinitista na ko ano. So I'd like to do that again. So happy ko, excited ko karon. Pero weather doesn't permit. So dili pwede karon. So mangita di bawd kaayo. Then yes, gaulan yun. So for that, mangita miglang alternative. And we've heard nga na ako noy kasagan. Kasagan jud. Dai kasag here. Dai kasag daw here in Balamban. So we will do kasag searching here. Kasag searching. Mga sagmingan hiron.
So Doki, while we are heading to our destination, no? So it will take an hour or more pa siguro.
Yeah.
So mag chika-chika lang sa ta. So kinsa gid ay si Doc Xavier?
Hello, oy, ka-deep question, ana pa duman pa HR, oy. But well, how would I know? That's a good, wow, that's a deep question. Ako na prepare nga pangutana. Well, for me, who I really
aside from you being the famous dentist,
wow,
and then one of Cebu's best or famous food vlogger. So kinsa man si Doc Xavier outside of those names or titles?
Well, for me, I would like to say I'm really a people person, but to put that into context also, ganahin ko like in the image of like I'm a person talaga who is like sincere and would love to please, and not really please, but to serve and help other people. So yun ana lang yung tingali. Compassionate, wow. But I would not be in service. Di ko tanong mo daga na, pero ganahan lang yung kana. I like to be, and for me, I am more comfortable if ever I would be with the community. Ayun yun.
How did you get started with vlogging?
Vlogging itself, well, actually, well, to answer that question, what pandemic did to me, because for quite some time I've been a content creator in a way or a vlogger. actually, di gali ko na ko i-consider ako self-vlogger gali ka na. Wala lang. Sige, game. Diba? It is amazing guys, na pasuga oy anak to conserve energy o para mas linit yung lighting, mas better yan mo sakyanan. Labaw na mag-vlog ka kay para na kay suga from the back. Di na kailangan suga. Anyway, going back, being a vlogger, or like when you say you're a vlogger, probably may establish kang a vlogger if ever you have a YouTube channel. Yeah. So I started my YouTube channel actually May. I think everyone has like a YouTube, YouTube channel, tanan or YouTube account. So I have a YouTube. I think everyone has a YouTube account because when you sign up with Google, automatically you have a YouTube account naman sa, di ba? So when you view for you to comment, automatically na naka-YouTube account or YouTube channel. So I think everyone of us has a YouTube channel already, but for me it's been dormant. I've not been using it. Ako yung mga tripping before, mga 2 years ago, 2 or 3 years ago when IG stories started up. And that's the time I realized that probably more people like my stories. Kaya mo comment yun sila that some of my stories, kaya kasi ito highlight, some of my stories deserves more than 24 hours. So initially, what I do is ako i-download tanan ako stories, yung anak ka-lazy. Download ko tanan stories, i-compile na ako, then ako siyang i-upload sa YouTube. So muna siya first content yun ako 4 years ago. Sorry kayo guys. Okay. Wa man ko natabunan man gud si Kuya sa stop good. Okay, so
alright. So explain what happened.
What happened bagod guys kay kanang since giayo ang road, so na stop go and the sign niya na nakabot ng ideally nga stop na isakyan na ligauna na mo, so naka-park siya. So naka-park siya, wala ko nakita ang stop na sign because he's there. So nigdiretso ko, I thought naka-park siya, uli paltong tanong kaya ka magtanong sa kilid. Di ay maghuwat ka magluta. So muna siya. Focus while driving. Ako na focus kay nakulbaan ko sa pangutan. So naglibo ko sa pangutan. Bitaw oy. Anyways, going back. So yeah, for me, like I would say, how did I started my YouTube channel? So let me start my story. When I started my being a vlogger, I would start it as like how I started my YouTube channel. Well, I started my YouTube channel May because muna to siya, I stopped going back ako 3 years ago, mo to stories lang yun, then murag, for me it was useless, so probably ni dagar to siya murag less than a month, kay kapoy sad siya, murag gamay na sad siya views, so I stopped. Then wala na yun na gamit akong YouTube, not until mo to pag May, because pag pandemic, again with my stories, me being a food content creator, I usually like share about food and travel also. Wala man ta, di man ta kagawas, di ba? So I ended up just being at home. So unsa may bato, sige ako luto-luto. And I post it on my stories, kaya madisan ako sa ganahan i-content or i-post in my feed, kaya murag, di ba, magluto kag adobo, imo chung ibutang si mong IG, si mong Instagram, murag hello. Pero daghan mo react sa akong stories in like, what are you going to cook today? I wasn't expecting, I was gaining followers in my IG stories, mga tanas daon sa akong lutoon. So for that, akong stories, kato siya, ako galing gihimo na lang yun post sa Instagram. So ako i-post yun sa ako pagluto akong adobo together with a post or a short clip. Then nasa uban yung kapoy man i-share ang stories or kapoy ko no tanawon, ang post sa Instagram nga kanang videos na ko nga tutorials. So mo ako to, actually napagato yun ni suggest nga do it in TikTok kay remote pag-uso sa TikTok. So for me TikTok wasn't for me. So bitaw, lazy sad ko since I have a YouTube account, so wala ko ipakaban ako, sige nakoy links ako ang nako YouTube, so ato lang ko siya upload, then share the link ko sa pagluto ang adobo, or like fried rice. So ngadto siya nagsugod lang yun. And for me to be much more structured, kaya mo ko structured, I started a cooking series. It's a home cooking series in which actually nagyapon siya karon. So if ever gali na may gusto i-feature, gana mo share yung home cooking recipes, I think invite kailan ako si JR kung na siya ma-share nga pagkaon or what siya sugot. Yung ako na siya kay Bamuluto. What pati ka na-invite?
Wala.
O diba? Buot-buot. So, I invite my friends to share their recipes na i-share nga to. So initially mo to siya nakapadaghan. Gatong yun nag-start akong channel. Then I started to gain a followers. So kanang i-promote na yun ako bang nga ako sa vlogger nga, hey guys, don't forget to follow me in my channel, or mag-promote ako sa akong link because of that.
So then again, when we are in Balamban, well, what is Balamban without Balamban Liempo? So kita naman mo ganina no naman taong Liempo. But since the Balamban Liempo as itong gipalitan Johannes, di mas na pwede for dine-in. So for take-out naman sila, diba? Nag-cooks ka tulo-tulo. Ko i-move ha. So we are now here sa Pungko-Pungko by the seaside. Yan ang Pungko-Pungko by the seaside, kay naa siya sa seaside. So that's it. So yeah. And for that, kipupungkok siya. Yes, that's the ginagawa.
So Duki, muna na yung challenge Duki ha. So you need to get at least one.
Wow. O sige, game.
Ano naman siya daghan?
Pwede sa kang kuya kumukuha.
So
Ako sama dapit. Ari ko dapit si kuya kay kung asa si kuya for sure nang
actually, ang sure ana is wala na kaya nang gipanguha. So
Pwede insurance akong kamot guys.
on sa technique.
Tiyon sa gyud na siya na. Wala pa nini mo nakuha niya ni kuya na kuha. Kasi mangita ko ani mo kayo makuha. This is it guys. So atong kamot na gamit ang kamot. O sa nas pinakamayong gamit atong kamot ang paghinol. So karon panahon na guys, kinahanglan kita magduwa og lapok. Lapok ba? Consider as lapok ba ni siya?
Mud
Ilan man gud bato man gud ang naa.
scam.
Scam. Oh yeah, in fairness. Yay, na ko'y one. Yay!
Wow, congrats Duki.
Congrats. Oh, sige.
So you need 4 more.
So siya di mailhan kuya from the surface kung naa siya or wala. So magsige na siya kagkulkog.
Murag.
Wait, di mailhan from the top. Another one.
Yay! Second one.
Diba?
Lo, amazing lagi ka Duki. Giyon saan mo pagkuha?
Ana, trust your instinct ko no. Close your eyes and follow your heart. And follow kuya on. Kung asa siya, naana nga to. Feel ako mas gusto makita ko kung love life kaysa ani. Asa mas love life. So sa titi mailhan gali kung pagpili mo nga naa siya from the surface.
Gahi. Sa surface makita nimo siya. Hindi mo siya i-feel ha.
Oo.
Kaya na siya mara eyes do ka book straight kana.
Wow. Lagi matag yun.
Naalagi.
Sige.
So I'll try to find one. Medyo lubog lang ang tubig pero
So ang tubig mo adjust para na to. Kita mo adjust. Kita mo adjust sa tubig. Oy.
yeah, so mo nang kana naginol-hinol ta kay
Medyo cloudy man ang
tubig.
dito na siya guys. Kung nagali basura po dito na to. Dito sa
So nagdala ta dahil ni og trash bag guys. Okay, para mangwa sa niog basura. Para mangwa sa niog basura. So nagdala sa dahil ni og trash bag guys. Okay, para mangwa sa niog basura.
kung mula ang gali mo niya kitang basura po dito dili agian. Diba? Third one, yay! 2 more. Third one, yes. Ikaw, Jay, wala na nakitaan. Ang sangat to nang ginabuhi pa siya. Yes. Oh, kani siya. Yay! Bato di ay. Kinilaw na daw nat. Karoon na siya kinilaw. So we have to do it.
Really?
So here, kaunta sa tunisuha. Actually, sinilaw siya nga. Kuan.
Oh, yun na mong tubig!
Hindi na ba yung aftertaste ng brag dagat-dagat good? So, tawag na sa aftertaste pa. More force ko, no? Yan. That would be better though. Kaysa sa ibongbong. Yeah, that would look better. That tastes better, I
So
think.
fresh guys. Sama ka fresh na ko.
Sige.
Char.
Sa mas kalapas.
Lapas kayo eh. Juicy.
Oo.
Fresh from the sea. So here we go guys. So lesam lang.
Oh, di mo inamog tubig sa Tonlon. Tonlon, di mo inamog tubig. Tonlon, ganda siya. But yeah, lami siya. It's so fresh. Pero na siya aftertaste, no? Nga mga dagat-dagat. Okay. Di, mainom sa siyang tubig. Diba? Dapat mainom mag tubig after. So that's it Guys, we're now back here in the Subaru showroom here in AS Fortuna, and kumusta man ang inyong pagkuyog nako sa to ang road trip as well as food trip going to Balamban? Because for me personally, I really enjoyed it so much. Kaya of course, first time nako nanginhas o nangita adto nga Shell, and first time sa kita ko mo drive og Subaru nga, as in fairness, grabe siya kagaan and grabe ka smooth ang gagan, and I felt so secure and so safe kana kasi mag-Subaru ako next week. Joke lang. Hopefully, sana all maka-Subaru dayon yun ang nakadali. But sige lang, ito ng tiguman. Kaya yes, it's a very good ride. And so for that also, as I mentioned earlier, I can't wait probably for our next vlog or probably for our next food trip, because probably this would be a monthly content in which I'll be doing for Auto Central or for Subaru. Nga, we will be going to your places for a road trip or probably for a food trip also. So if ever ganahan man mo muad to Mininyo, sakto ba na mo? So yes, manganha Mininyo. So please do comment down below. So that's it lang guys. Hope nag-enjoy man mo, and if ever, yes, manginhasad gali mo, kung mga tuman mo Balamban, panginhasad mo, please do tag me if ever you would do that. I would be really be happy to see kung makabuhat sad mo. Okay? But then again guys, always remember to eat in proper proportions and to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye.